Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Yiking 1100W Rotary hammer. There's an image of the rotary hammer right on top. This also comes with a shockproof case, which I will show you in a while. Let's quickly take a look at what other information we can find. I think the model number is 3326. And what else do we have? This is quite heavy, by the way. It operates on 220 volts of electricity, which is pretty standard for most households. Input is 1100 watt. No load speed is 0 to 900 RPM and maximum drilling diameter is 26 millimeter. Anything more? No, that's more or less it. Let's show you what's inside. There you go. This is what you see right on top. This is a shockproof box from Yiking. This will make sure that all the components inside are well protected. Now let's see what's inside. I'll give you a better look. This is what you will find inside. We have a warranty card from Yiking. Then we have a Yiking Tools manufacturing company. This is basically a user manual for this particular rotary hammer. Let's see what else do we have. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 drill bits here, as you can see. Let me show you one of them. So this is one. This is 10 millimeters. And let's quickly take a look at each of them. That's 10 millimeter. Okay, this is a this is a 6 millimeter. And we also have, this is another small one. Let's quickly take a look. This is 8 millimeter. All right, that's great. There's a 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter, and 6 millimeter drill bits, and the two massive ones here. Let's see what these are. All right, so this is a pretty big one. This is this is basically a screwdriver attachment. There's a massive screwdriver attachment for when you want to attach really big screws. All right. Put this back in. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is also a chisel kind of an attachment. There's also a pretty fat attachment, as you can see. What else do we have? There's an STS Plus adapter for when you lose the one that's already here. Let me just show you. This is what it looks like. This is what the adapter looks like. Okay, the STS Plus adapter. And moving on, there's something here. This seems to be the drill chuck. Yes, this is the drill chuck with the key as well. This is a 1.5 to 10 millimeter drill chuck. This also comes with this key to tighten it when required. So you use this key right over here to tighten it as and when required. These are very well greased, so handle them carefully. This is a depth gauge. This is, I think, around less than a foot long actually, but yeah, this is a depth gauge for when you want to do your drilling. And you also have a side grip. Now let's take a look at the drill itself. There you go. This is what the drill looks like. This is, by the way, a heavy appliance, a heavy drill appliance. It has quite a bit of a weight. It weighs at least 3 kilos. Let me quickly see if the weight is mentioned anywhere. Not really. Okay, 220 volts, 1100 watt, 3326. That's your model number. 0 to 900 rotations per minute, and 26 millimeter maximum drill bit length, drill bit attachment capacity basically. There's also a map here that tells you which drill bit to use on which kind of a surface, like for wooden surface, metallic surface, or cement blocks, etc. Everything is written right over here. This also comes with this ergonomic handle here. It's a very nice design, by the way. It's made out of solid ABS plastic. I mean, this will not break at any time. Once again, ergonomic handle. As you can see, this comes with this design as well. And there's also this really soft trigger. This is a very soft trigger, by the way. You have to be careful while using it. I don't know what this is. At the end of the handle you have this 360-degree swivel cord, and speaking of the power cord, this is what the power cord looks like. This is around a 1.5 meter long power cord that has a 2-pin plug on one end. What I'm going to do, I'm going to connect it to a power source and see if this works. Okay, this is in, and let's see if this works now. Oh yeah. All right. Also notice there's a dial here. This dial has different presets. This is, for different kind of drilling instructions, or moving it, or for rotating this clockwise and counterclockwise. If you notice that right now it's going clockwise, but if I switch this dial to this particular setting here, it's just going forward and backward. This is for when you want to drill holes, basically. There's a lot of settings here. If you look at the user manual, you will find out what these settings do. Once again, let me see. Let's give me a close look how this works. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Yiking 1100 rotary hammer. The model number is 3326. Thank you for watching.